Hello people, what's up? I'm outside in Texas. Very hot. Well, sort of. Woo. I don't know, that was very boring. Very windy outside, but it's very boring inside, so I had to choose between one and the other. Yeah. Let's go look at my dog. Here we go. Sparky. Come here, Sparky. Jump. Good girl. Can you see pretty? Sparky. Can you see pretty? Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Come on. Sit pretty. Sparky. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Fine, speak. Speak. Good girl. Anyways, that's my dog. I'm taking her when I move. Supposed to be moving this December, but I'm having surgery 2 times on my knee. So yeah. Ha. Kind of dirty right now, but oh well. Sparky, do you want to go outside? Let's see if I can get her to jump. Come on, Sparky. No, that's it. Come on down. Come up. Come on. Good girl.
That's happened a number of times where over here on the east
Anyways, now we're in the house.
And
And that's my dad. Hi, Dad. Making a very boring video. Cause I haven't made a video in a while. I am boring. Anyways, let's see who is online. Hey, James Idle. How long has he been idle? 32 minutes. Probably sleeping. And I think that's Pat. Pat's online, but I don't talk to him. So, Is this the side of you? Red light, I don't know. It's my favorite song right now. Well, that's punk. It's kind of funny, right? When I put that song on my profile, I got broken up with. It's kind of funny, but I knew it was bound to happen. So anyways, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Haha.